In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get notified of saved searches on eBay. If you're someone who loves hunting for deals or just keeping an eye on specific items, this feature is a great way to make sure you never miss out. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process to get this set up. And soon, you'll be receiving notifications directly in your inbox when new items match your interests. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the eBay website. Open your preferred internet browser and type in eBay's URL, or simply click the link if you're following along with this video. Once you're on the homepage, keep an eye out for the Sign In button, usually located at the top left corner of your screen. Click on this button to proceed. If you haven't already signed in, take a moment to do so with your eBay credentials. After successfully signing into your account, the next thing you need to do is find the search bar. It's typically prominently displayed at the top of the page. When you locate it, click on it, and enter the keywords for the item you're interested in. This can be anything from vintage watches to latest smartphones. Once you've entered your search terms, hit enter or the search icon to bring up the items that match your query. Now, with your search results displayed, browse through and look for the Save This Search option. This is usually positioned near the top of the search results. Click on Save This Search, which essentially bookmarks this search query for you. By doing this, eBay can keep track of it and notify you when new listings matching your criteria show up. With your search now saved, head over to My eBay. You can find this link in the top right corner of the eBay homepage. Clicking on it will bring up a menu, and from there, select Saved Searches. This is where all your saved inquiries are kept organized. Once you're on your Saved Searches page, glance over, and you'll notice 3 vertical dots next to each of your saved search queries. Click on these dots to pull up a menu of options. From the list, select Get Email Alerts. This action will turn on notifications for that particular saved search, allowing you to receive updates via email or through app notifications. And there you have it. You're now all set to receive alerts whenever a new item that matches your saved search appears on eBay. This convenient feature saves you time and ensures you don't miss out on finding exactly what you're looking for. Happy shopping! And I hope this tutorial has been helpful in optimizing your eBay experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Or